wahala be like bicycle by correct people. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don come reply them because the news they go out for social media say they burn down police station. As they wan come talk and come out now, they say na unknown gunmen na I come burn down police station. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don talk say the people wey come burn the police station say they be angels from heaven. I too go like her. This our leader. I too go like her. He said they be angels from heaven. Said they come revenge wetin Nigerian police they do, which is true. Nigerian police don't too do. Nigerian police wetin they don't do, it don't too much. This one na just the beginning. They never see anything. This one so they go they burn their station on no government. Now so they will locate all those their station where they tell they do bad, where they tell they maltreat innocent people, where they tell they arrest innocent people, where they tell they kidnap people. All those their station. Now so they go burn all of them finish. If they themselves even they inside they go burn them join the station. This is getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. Nigeria police, they don't too do for Nigeria. They say na Eastern security. They know things. Why they even complain? They don't know things, so they don't destroy. They don't know things, so they don't destroy. Imagine. This is just the beginning. So my correct people, I no will talk too much for this video. I won't just drop the video where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for the talk. Make una listen to the great man when he's talking. Make una listen to me. So my correct people, make una no vex for me. So now welcome una. Hello beautiful people. Welcome back again to another video. If you are new in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for joining our family. Please hit the red button down below on the bell notification icon, so whenever we drop a new video in this same channel, you will get notified. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye. Watch the video.
He's a miracle working God. I don't know where he sent the unknown gunmen. I don't know. People name them unknown gunmen. That's how we know them by. And believe me, they're doing a very marvelous job. And I will pray more, I will fast more, for many more to come. These people, they go to, they slaughter you. We write letter. In fact, once the letter comes, they put it in the dustbin. We said, okay, is that how it's done? Okay. We went into prayer and fasting. We kept praying until, should I say, God answered our prayers with unknown gunmen. We don't know who they are, but I believe they are angels from heaven. They are the armies of heaven. And they are now the ones avenging for us. So all those police stations that they used to torture people and kill people and harvest their organs, please, unknown government, find them all. Look for them and find them. Find all those police stations. If you know you are a police officer, you were involved in organ harvesting, people were disappearing. Oh, things have happened though. People just disappear. Parents will know where the children are. You hear mothers lamenting as they are dying. They are saying, oh, we are these Chibuzo. Have you seen Chibuzo? You don't know that SARS have killed Chibuzo. The woman will be lamenting until she passes from unconsciousness into death. Thinking about the son. Sometimes the only son. Killed by the police. And now God answered the prayers of people. I don't know where this unknown government, I don't know where they are from. But at least if they're keeping the police busy, the police won't have to be killing innocent people. Arresting they arrest innocent people. Nigeria shouldn't exist. I hate Nigeria with a passion. Shouldn't exist, honestly speaking. Only a fool will support one damnable zoological republic. Soldiers are living and they're taking them to court. The Nigerian army has ordered the immediate arrest of officers accused of deserting their post. Can you imagine such rubbish? You go behind the back, you equip Boko Haram to fight people. When people have now discovered, suddenly they have now discovered that they have been the fool for years. They have left your useless army. They're saying go and arrest them. I don't God. Oh my goodness. Zoological Republic. Damnable Zoological Republic. Military documents obtained by various newspapers have now listed 101 names, ranks, and bank details of Iran soldiers. Every soldier should leave. Go and join the Eastern Security Network. Go and join them. They are the future. If you don't know how an army is supposed to behave, go and look at the Russian Revolution. I think of 1989 or 1990 or 91, I don't know, when Boris Yeltsin came into power. The apparatchiks of the old guard of the Communist Party in Soviet Union ordered the tanks and armored personnel carriers onto the streets of Moscow to go and kill people. When the army got there, they looked at their fellow citizens. They said, we cannot open fire on these people. That is how a patriotic army behaves in the zoo. They bring in wild Fulani beasts, animal, wild beasts. Give them AK-47 and they open fire. All of you saw the video of live shooting. It's like a turkey shoot in Abuja of this same army slaughtering innocent Shia protesters. All of you saw the video. That video did not make it onto any major news network around the world. That was the day I became afraid of what Britain was doing. The video is everywhere. In any other country or any other country of the world, there would have been an uproar. But in the zoo, nothing happened. Nothing. You can kill. You know, over the years, army will come, bloody civilian, they open fire. Not anymore. We now have God in his infinite mercy have sent us guardian angels. They are known as unknown gunmen. They are the ones defending us now. We don't know who they are. And they are the ones defending the people. They are unknown gunmen. We don't know who they are. And may God bless them. Because as they are keeping the police and the army busy, they won't have time to kill innocent civilians. They cannot. Because if you kill and go back to your barracks, these angels will come on. They are called unknown gunmen. They will come and they will avenge the death of the innocent. You can never go scot-free. It doesn't matter where you run to, you can never go scot-free. This your nonsense in the zoo has been going on for years. You have the temerity to give Mietiala 100 billion. Mietiala will use them, buy weapons abroad. You fly it in with a jet. You distribute to the helicopter. And you come and tell us about one Nigeria. As if we are fool. Are we that daft? Are we that stupid?